In room with Caroline.
There it is.
Well, that was great.
That's a hair
So
trigger.
we're going to do a little something different today. I'm going to put somebody in this room on the spot for what's in room.
Oh, God. Here we go.
Why do you think it's you?
I just assumed.
It is you.
Ah.
So we're going to see how much Austin truly knows about IDing Japanese maples.
Oh, gosh, Caroline, you pretty much did this room yesterday without me. I was with a customer for a while.
Yep.
I didn't really see what you brought in. I just see the beauty of it all together.
Well,
You're going to put me on the spot? Oh, God.
and we're going to see as fast as we can go.
Yeah, and a lot of different colors and textures and growth habits.
Can I
So
take a guess?
Yeah. You can take a guess.
The one to the right of Austin is a Tamukiyama.
No, it is not.
I took a
But
guess.
good guess, though. But look at this fall color, y'all.
Oh,
Like the
my
Japanese maple here at the nursery are glowing. They've still got leaves, at least most of them. I'd say just a small fraction have lost their leaves. We have a lot of great Isley ones in. We've got some from Monrovia and other growers. I mean, back there, it's gorgeous. And like David mentioned, we rarely run sales on Japanese maple or include them in our sales. So if you've been looking for one, now's the time to come on out. But let's go ahead and get started.
all sizes.
All sizes,
Yep. This
even the
one's-
ones in the big giant boxes.
This one right here is $34 off.
Hey.
So come and get it.
$34.
Yep.
You don't even have to do the math. Josh just did it for
Josh
you.
did
I
it
did
for
it
you,
for
so
this
come
one.
on.
Yes.
All right, but let's
It
get
does
started.
have a function.
We're going to start in the corner above David's head. What is that one?
That looks like that's Tobiosha.
Yes, you got it. All right, how about
Hey.
next to that one?
That's a new one. That's an Isley intro.
It's
That's
an
a
Isley?
First flame. First fire.
No.
First fire.
You're close.
Fire
Final
flame.
fire.
Final fire.
You got the flame
Okay.
fire.
Uh-huh.
You got the hotness of that plant. All right,
That's a
how about this
beautiful
one right here?
That one's one of my favorites. That's Lajima Senego.
You
I
are
believe.
so good at this.
That one
The
is
green stems.
Stunning.
I love
Yeah.
that plant.
It's
Great
hard to
picture.
see.
Yeah,
Look,
pretty
we're
it is.
talking about it because we can really see it from, behind this display that's in front that we'll get to in a minute. But like Josh said, green
Stunning.
stems, yellow leaves, absolutely stunning. I will get a video on our Instagram and Facebook after the show today. But let's keep going. How about right here?
That's a beautiful one. That's called harp string. I know that one.
Did you cheat and come here last night and look at all these tags?
No, I know that
mister?
leaf. That's harp string.
You're right.
I
You
love
got
that.
it.
I've
Ding,
been
ding,
looking
ding.
at it.
All right,
And
and this one?
orange.
In the corner there, that's a Sango Kaku, or commonly known as coral bark.
Yes,
Japanese
it is.
maple.
You are correct.
And they will get coral as the weather gets colder.
They do.
Tyler has one planted in his yard, I believe.
I do.
Yeah.
All right. And then in the corner, the one that Josh has already guessed. So let's go ahead and pan to in front, Tyler.
This
That's
guy.
it.
That's a dissectum. That's
We're not in front, Tyler.
Inaba Shidare.
Yes, we are.
And Niaba.
Oh
No,
my
we're not.
goodness! This whole time,
Tyler.
I'm
Wow,
sorry.
Tyler.
This whole time I've been following along.
I know
Very
that.
similar.
Okay, can we back up? I'm so sorry.
right,
Let's
sure.
go to harp strings.
Oh, that's harp string
Yeah.
behind Caroline.
Look
Oh
at
my
these leaves.
goodness.
Dainty little
So
leaves.
sorry.
Looks like you're playing the harp. And then in the corner,
That's the coral bark.
Is coral bark.
yeah.
Sango.
All right.
Wake
And
up,
then
Tyler. Just
now-
kidding.
All right.
You're doing
And now
great.
right here, my mother-in-law
Earth
has one of
to
these.
Tyler.
Inaba Shidare.
Correct. All
a
right. Next
beautiful
to
one.
that,
This green one, I don't know why that's still green. I'm pretty sure that's Sharp's Pygmy.
it is.
Yeah.
Maybe we got that in recently.
Must have. I don't know why
Look
it's still
how
green.
cute and compact it is.
It's nice.
It
It's
is
a
The
tight
green
very
is so
nice.
underused.
you really
I
like
think, too.
small.
Yeah, the green ones are so pretty too.
I love the green ones. You get the excellent color change with them. I mean, a lot of times.
Yes, you do. All right. Next to that, right here.
That's that maroon one. That's Rhode Island red.
How do you know all of these? All right. And next to that,
That's Monrovia's version of a dissectum weeper, velvet Viking.
Velvet Viking.
Yeah, and
I've never heard of that
and
one.
For those paying attention, you have these use of words with Japanese maples, such as palmatum and dissectum, and those are very specific terms that refer to the shape of the leaf. The dissectums are the ones that they're cut leafed Japanese maples. The palmatums are the ones that have the broader leaves. So
Mhm.
just so you know, when you look at a tag, even if it has no leaves on it, you know by virtue of that information, what kind of leaf to expect.
That is good to know, especially like you talked about as we move into winter.
Yep.
Those trees don't have leaves. All right. And next to that one,
Next to that one, that looks the same. That's another Rhode
well,
Island
the
red.
tag is sticking right towards you.
That
so
one
you
is.
saw
Okay,
that
I'll
one.
give you that.
All right.
But
And
it
then
looks the same.
one Josh has already given you the discount price. What's going to be off of that? What is that one?
$34. That one is.
It's one that I am still mad at.
Oh, yeah? That's one of my favorites on the planet. That's Mikawa Yatsubusa.
Yep, I had
Sure
one
it is.
and it died.
Oh, Caroline, I'm sorry.
All right, and let's go ahead and move to the smaller ones, the ones on the tables, y'all. These are the little 1 gallons. It's a great price point, and it's still included in the discount. This is usually where I start with my Japanese maples.
And you can put them in a container outdoors, and you don't have to put them in the ground if you don't want to.
You don't
Exactly.
have to, correct? I have some though that have gotten really, really large.
Shout out to Sam Boyette. We saw him yesterday with his dog. He was out here
Oh,
getting
yeah.
a conifer. He's got like 30-something maples in pots. He does this. He starts with that size, and he's an excellent grower of maples. He's
That's
got a
amazing.
great collection.
Now,
All right,
even-
so in front, closest to David and Josh, what is that one?
Closest to David and Josh. Gosh, it looks like another Rhode Island Red.
Yes, you're correct.
Oh,
And
my
next to
gosh.
that little bitty small one with the small little compact leaves right in the middle in the very front.
Once again, my mother-in-law has that one, I believe. That's Koto Maru.
You're correct. And then the one on the end closest to me, right here.
That's one that's Sharp's Pygmy that's already changed its
So
color.
now look at that fall color. We had one that was green. We've got one with its fall color just showing out.
I actually have a hedge of Sharp's Pygmy under my window on the north side of the house that
Sweet.
makes a very nice, tight little hedge that has never exceeded 5 feet in height.
Oh,
awesome.
that sounds
And they've
awesome.
been
Cool.
in 15 years. at
Who's
least.
dancing?
That's a good
Caroline?
application.
Who's dancing?
We're not to dancer quite
Oh,
yet.
we're
We're
not.
so close. So
There's
what is the
another
tall
one?
one in front? Yeah, there's another one.
Tall one in front?
There's 2 more in front, right?
There are.
That
we already
one?
did one though.
That one's got that super upright habit. Is that a Twombly's?
That's a Twombly's.
Twombly's
You're right.
Red.
This one?
I think that's another Rhode Island
It
Red.
is. We have a
Is
lot
that
of Rhode
right?
Island. And let's talk about our tiny dancer. She's spinning. She's dancing. Tyler's got one.
I know that one. You tell them all about it, Caroline.
You can tell him.
It's a coral bark.
There you
Another
go.
coral bark in a 1 gallon. And what about those beautiful red stems? Thanks.
Way
Yeah,
to
that was
go.
great. That
Okay,
was
so
fun.
impressive.
the
We got
coral
every
bark
single
back
one of
here,
them.
I think, yeah,
in 1
that was-
gallon. What is the age difference between the tiny dancer and the one in the corner?
Oh gosh, I would say. What do you think? I don't know, David.
10 years?
3 to 5 years difference.
3? Is that all?
5
at
maybe?
At least.
I mean, they're pretty quick when they're young. Actually, coral bark actually in general, honestly, is one of the fastest growers.
Wow.
My
you can
coral
see
bark-
all of that growth.
I planted my coral bark from one of those 1 gallons that's on the Susan there.
Mm-hmm.
It is now about 6 or 7 feet tall.
Sweet.
Yeah, I'm serious.
And that it's
for
been
the
2 or 3 years.
and
That's
for the
nicey.
record, of
Isley.
people walking around the planet who could successfully name each of those, it's easily 1 in a million. So
Yeah.
that's what Austin is. He's 1 in a million.
Oh, thank you. Well, I do look at them every day. Okay, so.